I will show you how to get the best side hustle of your life with KashKick. Want to know how I made $300? Stick around. Alright, first things first. Sign up for KashKick and get a free $1 bonus. Just for joining. Complete your profile to unlock a world of surveys and high-paying offers. Now, let's dive into the top earning methods. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $300 by completing game challenges. Want to make more? Surveys pay you $1 to $20 each, and don't forget cashback offers. I signed up for Credit Karma and got rewarded. Pro tip: avoid in-app purchases to maximize your profits. Trust me, it adds up. But wait, here are some important tips. Refer friends and earn 25% of their earnings. Yes, 25%. But don't cancel trials early, or you'll lose your rewards. KashKick is legit, but stick to games and offers. Surveys can pay less than $1 per hour. Cash out at $10 via PayPal or gift cards. So what's the final verdict? KashKick won't make you rich, but it's a fun way to earn an extra $20 to $100 a month. Ready to start? Links in the description. Sign up now and start earning with KashKick today.